In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove extensions from Mozilla Firefox quickly and easily. This is a great way to clean up your browser, improve performance, and get rid of add-ons you no longer use or trust. If you've ever installed an extension and later decided you want it gone, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens Firefox's main menu, where you can access settings, tools, and add-ons. From the menu, click Extensions and Themes. This takes you to the Add-ons Manager, where Firefox keeps track of everything installed in your browser. On this page, you'll see sections for themes, extensions, and more. Next, click Extensions if you are not already on that section. This will show you a full list of all the extensions currently installed in Firefox. Now scroll through the list carefully and find the extension you want to delete. Take your time here, especially if you have several add-ons installed, because you want to make sure you remove the correct one. Once you've located the extension, look for the 3 dots next to that specific extension. Click those 3 dots to open the options menu for that add-on. In that menu, click Remove. Firefox may ask you to confirm that you want to delete the extension, so if a confirmation box appears, approve it to finish the process. After that, the extension will be removed from your browser. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully removed an extension from Mozilla Firefox. This is a simple process, but it can make a big difference if your browser feels cluttered, slow, or if you just want more control over what is running in the background. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.